In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use automation with emails in HubSpot. This walkthrough will guide you step by step through the process, helping you seamlessly integrate automated emails into your marketing strategy. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. It's always best to start from the home page for a streamlined experience. Once you have HubSpot open, locate the login button situated in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be prompted with several login options. For convenience and ease, choose the Sign in with Google option. Simply select the Google account you have your HubSpot connected to, and you'll be taken into the HubSpot dashboard. When you're inside HubSpot, the next step is to head over to your marketing section. You can find a link to this page right on your dashboard, which will lead you directly to all your marketing tools and options. Once you've arrived, look for the email section. Click on it to enter the email management area where we will handle everything for our email automation. Now, look towards the top right corner and you'll find an option to create a new email. Click on Create Email, which initiates the process of setting up a brand new email campaign. This is where the fun begins as you start crafting your message to engage your audience. Following that, you'll see several options for different types of emails. Make sure to select the automated option. This differentiates your email from a standard campaign, allowing it to be triggered by specific user actions or timelines. At this stage, you'll need to choose a template for your automated email. HubSpot offers a variety of ready-to-use templates that suit different needs and styles. Pick the one that best complements your message. Once your template is selected, it's crucial to review all of your settings. Almost ready to go live, click on Review and Publish, located on the top right. This is where you'll verify everything is polished. Finally, don't forget to fill in all necessary fields, particularly the subject line, as it's an important trigger for automation. Double-check your setup, ensuring all elements are correctly configured to activate when you need them to. Your last task is to scroll down and click on Publish at the bottom. And there you have it. Your automated email is now set up and ready to engage your audience without you having to lift another finger. By following these steps, you're leveraging HubSpot's powerful marketing automation tools to enhance communication with your customers efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.